Good morning! Welcome to another travel vlog. Today is March 28 and we are flying back to Boracay. Let's give Boracay another chance kasi last October nagpunta kami ng Boracay but it was after a typhoon. Yeah, it was after Typhoon Christine, I think. So medyo hindi namin siya na-appreciate kasi meron pa mga remnants ng bagyo and then it was gloomy. So tingnan natin ngayon kung mas magugustuhan natin si Boracay. Anyway, it's almost summer season, although I heard it's algae season naman ngayon, so we'll see. May conference lang si Daddy George and sasamahan lang natin siya kaya tayo babalik sa Boracay. By the way, for this trip, we are also booked at the Lind Boracay. So, yun naman din yung titingnan natin ngayon kung kamusta si Lind. Nandito na tayo sa airport. So, akyat tayo ulit ng departures area kasi we plan to park here sa multi-level parking ulit ni Terminal 3. Kasi 2 nights lang naman tayo nasa Boracay. Oh, it's automated na.
Yeah.
Oh, it says no cashier at the exit. So, naka-automated parking system na sila ngayon. Last time we were here noong February, naka-manual paper stub pa sila dito sa parking. So, let's see kung paano yung payment system din nila sa airport ngayon. Andito na kami sa food hall area ng Terminal 3. Unfortunately, sarado na yung mga restaurants. Actually, sinabihan na kami nung nag-Taiwan trip kami nung February that they're going to close the restaurants here. So, chinek lang namin kung talagang sarado na sila and sarado na nga. May mga bukas pa naman pala. Mary Grace is still open. KFC is open. Tokyo, Ramen Nagi is opening. So, may mga restaurant options pa rin naman pala dito sa food hall. But some of the other restaurants naka-board up na sila. Dito kami sa Tokyo. Kain muna tayo. Maalam. After having breakfast, we already headed to the boarding gate. We took Cebu Pacific again today. Aside from it being our favorite airline, it was also the cheapest at the time of booking our flight, which was last month. And we have arrived again here in Katiklan. Pupunta naman tayo ngayon doon sa parang transport desk ni The Lind for our complimentary transfer. Service of Lind is different. Dito nila kami binaba sa lounge area ni Henan Resorts. So, wala kami dun sa parang public port. Ayan. Dito pala kami sa Henan Resort Welcome Center. Ayan ang aming speedboat. Sakay muna kami. Old Tower. It's 11:30 a.m. and we have finally arrived at the Lind Hotel. Ito yung hotel lobby and that's the view. They also gave us welcome drinks, parang dalandan juice. Masarap. Ito din yung infinity pool area naman ni The Lind. Those are the rooms. And that's the infinity pool. Nandito naman sa may beach level yung main pool ng hotel. Ito naman daw yung breakfast buffet area. And here's the main restaurant called Crust. Ito naman yung beachfront ng hotel. Andito muna kami sa restaurant nila. It's currently 11:30 a.m. and standard check-in time is 3 p.m. So, hindi pa ready yung room namin. First meal here in the Lind. So, ito yung aking Bicol Express Lumpia. And si George got the parang prawn katsu burger. Ang laki ha? Let's eat first! Tapos na kaming kumain. Actually, in all honesty, hindi ko nagustuhan yung burger niya. Pero nagustuhan niya. So, okay lang. But it's not something that you'd want to eat again. Anyway, it's 12:30. Start na ng conference ni George. Sa Seawind siya actually. So, we will just walk over there first. Tapos, balik na lang ako dito kasi 3 o'clock pa naman yung check-in. Wala pa. Hindi pa available yung room namin. This is the beachfront of the Lind, Boracay. Look at the beach. Ayan ang itsura ng beach ngayon. Oo nga, puro algae. Unfortunately. Nahatid na natin si Daddy. Diyan sila sa Seawind. And I'll just show you. This is the beach now. Ayan. In fairness, malinis na yung shore. Malinis yung beach. You can see the white sand now. Unfortunately, yun nga, it's green. Ang daming lumot. Yun lang. Pero at least malinis na yung sand. Hindi katulad last time when we were here noong October. Madumi siyang tignan kasi kakatapos ng bagyo. So ngayon, lalakad tayo pabalik ulit sa The Lind. Dun sa dulo. Wala sigurong tao ngayon masyado kasi sobrang init. Oh my God. As in. So, I'll show you lang the bathroom of The Lind sa lobby. Nakakaaliw kasi ngayon lang ako nakakita na per cubicle meron na siyang sariling wash basin. Ayan. There. Diba? Ang galing. Hi! Time check, it's 1:40. Hindi pa available yung room natin. So, punta tayo sa wellness. Magpapamassage na lang tayo. Meron daw silang 25% discount, early arrival discount. Kasi hindi pa available yung room. So, pinili natin si aromatherapy massage. 3,000 pesos yung regular rate niya. Ito yung spa. The spa din pala yung partner nila. It's just beside the restaurant. So, pasok tayo. Pamasahe muna tayo while waiting for our room. So, tapos na tayo magpamassage. Again, it's there sa corner na yon. And now it's 3 o'clock. 3:20 actually, sakto. Available na daw yung room. So, punta na tayo sa lobby. Let's get a room key and I'll give you a room tour naman of the garden room here at the Lind, Boracay. In fairness, masarap yung massage nila. Yung naging bill pala natin is 2,550 na lang. Yung aromatherapy massage natin. So, nandito na tayo sa room natin. We are at room 109. Same floor lang ni lobby actually. So, malapit lang. And I'll give you a quick room tour ng garden room ni Lind, Boracay. So, as you enter, we have here the cabinets. May libreng payong. Here's the cabinet with the safe, the drawers. They have the hair dryer there. Ayan. And here's the bar. So we have our bottle of water here. And we have 1 round of complimentary treats. So these are free for now, including the one inside the ref. Ayan, so those are free for today. Tapos, nandito naman yung coffee. Okay. And here's the view of the room. We got the room with king-sized bed. And it comes with 1 sofa. There's the TV. The desk. May complimentary juice din. And snack. Basahin natin ang kanilang welcome note. And this is our veranda. So view natin yung main pool sa baba. Dito tayo sa veranda. Ayan na yung event. May wedding kasi today. So nagdadatingan na yung guests. Ayan. So anyway, this is the hotel. And yung view natin is the main pool downstairs. Ayan yung restaurant and the beachfront. And this is our veranda. It's big. Very spacious. I'll show you the restroom. Ito na naman yung kita yung banyo from the outside. Ayan. Pero may blinds naman. Yan, may blinds naman siya. So this is the bathroom. This is the shower area. May body wash, conditioner, and shampoo naman. So slide lang siya. Either sarado sa shower or sarado sa toilet. And the other side is the toilet. Ayan yung towels, mirror, they have lotion and hand wash. So ito naman yung mga amenities. Toothbrush, shaving kit, cotton, shower cap, towels, and ayan. By the way, nakalimutan kong sabihin, those slippers are actually complimentary daw. We can bring it home, including the free bag. Ayan. So, may pabag din si the Lint. Ayan. I'll show you lang din pala. Both sides of the bed, may sockets. Ayan. There. In fairness, it's a nice room. Malaki siya. It's roomy. And I think this is the cheapest room that they have available already. I forgot the price. I'll give you an update in the video kung magkano namin siya na book. Kasi yung booking na kay George. So there, I'll enjoy our room first. Wala pa si George, nasa conference pa siya. So I will just stay here in the room for this afternoon and I will wait for him to come back from his conference. See ya! Hello! Ito na si Daddy George, pero actually hahatid ko lang siya ulit sa Seawind. Meron pa siyang socials. Sumama lang ako sa kanya kasi gusto kong bumili ng isaw. I'll just show you how Boracay looks tonight. It's so much better than when we were here last October, kahit ngayong gabi. It looks more fun, more alive, and cleaner. Ayan o. Ayan yung Lind. This is Discovery. And these are the other hotels. Buhay na buhay siya ngayon. It's nice to walk along the shore. Kasi nga pala last time, naka-board up din yung mga hotels. Kaya ang pangit nilang tingnan dahil nga din sa bagyo. Eh ngayon open na sila. So mas maganda na silang tingnan.
With the lights.
Yeah, with all the lights and everything. It looks fun na. Maganda na siya, in fairness. Sorry Boracay, ginudge ka namin nung bagyo. Okay ka naman pala. Andito na tayo kay Merly's Barbecue. So, bili lang tayo ng isaw. Hello po!
Hello po.
Sino po si Aling Merly?
Nanay po namin.
Nanay niyo na siya. So, second generation na kayo. Ilang taon na kayo dito sa Boracay? Nagba-barbecue?
Since 1988 na.
1988? Wow! Ang tagal na. So, talagang ito yung negosyo niyo dito sa Boracay. Ang galing! 1988 pa sila dito. Salamat po. Ayan, niluluto nila yung isaw natin. Ayan ang dinner ko ngayon kasi wala akong kasama. Ayan, ang barbecue ni Aling Merly. Anak na pala sila again. So, tinake out na lang natin yung barbecue kasi dumami na yung tao. So, doon na lang tayo kakain malapit sa hotel. Hi guys, nandito na tayo sa hotel. So, subukan natin yung isaw ni Merly's Barbecue. Ayan, yung isaw niya. Okay naman, masarap. Tikman naman natin si longga. Iba si chori. Si chori yung flat. Ito longga talaga. Okay din. So, thank you, Merly's Barbecue, for my dinner tonight. Yung isaw is 15 pesos. I think this one is 90 pesos. Yung dalawang longganisa. So, total ng dinner ko tonight is 150 pesos. Hello! Time check, it's 8:30. Ito na si Daddy. Sinundo na niya ako sa hotel. So, nandito kami ngayon sa D-Mall. Sasamahan niya muna akong mag-dinner. Pakita ko lang sa inyo. Ayan si Coco Mama. Si Coco Mama, yung kinain namin last time. Ang haba ng pila ngayon. Sikat pala siya talaga dito sa Boracay. Hello, we're already back in the room. Nagpunta lang kami sa D-Mall pagbalik ni George kasi may kinailangan lang kaming bilhin. Pero since nandun na kami, quick dinner na rin kami dun sa Tres Amigos. It's the Mexican restaurant dun sa may gitna ng D Plaza. Yung kinain namin kay Tres Amigos, I ordered flautas and si George ordered beef burrito. Yung flautas ko nagustuhan ko naman, it was good. Pero yung beef burrito ni George, okay lang, so-so. And then nag-dessert lang kami nung halo mango. Before kami bumalik dito sa hotel. And then while we were there, it rained quite hard. So hindi na rin ako masyado nakapag-video. Bukas, tignan naman natin kung kamusta ang breakfast ni Dalind. So that's it for our day 1. Good night!
Good morning, everyone. It's our day 2 here in Boracay. It's 8:30 a.m. Unfortunately, gloomy na naman yung weather today. It's raining this morning, pero buti medyo tumigil-tigil na siya ng konti. We're going to have breakfast. Nandyan yung restaurant. So, habang walang masyadong tao, tayo muna yung magbe-breakfast today kasi si George went to his conference already. So, let's check out the breakfast of the Lind.
Hello! So, we're done with breakfast. We are back here in the room. Basically, masarap yung breakfast ni Dalind. Maganda yung options. So, ngayon, dito lang muna tayo sa room natin while waiting for George to come back from his conference. And hopefully, later, makapag-ikot tayo and explore Boracay some more. See ya! Hello! Ito na si Daddy George. Magkasama na kami. It's 1:30 p.m. Maglalakad na kami along the beach kasi maganda yung weather today. Walang araw. And look at the beach. Nawala yung green. Medyo mas clear siya today. So baka pwede kaming makapag-swim later. Medyo mas marami ding tao ngayon na nasa labas kasi nga it's a nice weather today. So lalakarin natin kung Dalind. And tingnan natin kung kaya nating abutin hanggang D-Mall. Lakarin natin yung buong shore para makita din natin ngayon kung kumusta si Boracay. Kasi hindi natin siya na-explore last time. Andito na kami sa Henan Prime area. Mas maganda na siyang tingnan ngayon. It looks like the old Boracay. Pero dito sa area na to, mas green. Mas clear yung water dun sa side ni Dalin. Ito yung last time na abandoned area. But it doesn't look as bad now. Nandito na kami sa area ni Grotto. Gustong sumilong ni Daddy George kasi lumabas na si Haring Araw, ang init. If I remember correctly, ito din yung area na hindi namin masyado malakaran last time kasi masukal siya. But now it's clear. Ayan na yung mga tindahan. Mas kita na rin sila ngayon kasi hindi na sila natatakpan. Ito din yung mga abandoned buildings last time, but they're more pleasing to the eyes now. Ayan. And our walk from the Lind up to this area, lampas na kami kay Grotto is easier. It's an easier walk now, no? Mas nakakalibang na siya kasi marami na kami nakikita tapos maganda na siya. Nice! So, buti na lang pala bumalik kami and appreciate na namin ulit si Boracay. Sayang nga lang hindi namin nasama yung kids ngayon because they would have appreciated Boracay also more now. Ayaw nilang bumalik na because of what they saw last time. So, I hope they can see Boracay at this state also next time. Here are the restaurants in this area. So, buhay na buhay. Actually, ngayon, ang daming guests, ang daming foreigners. So, it's nice. Ito na din yung building ni Jonas Famous Shake here in Boracay. Mas maayos na rin yung itsura niya ngayon. Tingnan. Ayan, so I guess for this period or this season, dito na yung sakayan ng boat going to the water activities. Wala siya last time when we were here. Ito na yung area ni Astoria. Hindi namin to naabot last time. Hanggang dun lang kami kay Jonas. Nandito kami kay Royal Indian Curry House. Kakain sana kami. Pero brown out pala sa buong island from 5 AM to 6 PM daw today. Siyempre hindi namin alam. So wala daw silang kitchen. Kasi unfortunately sila din yung generator nila. So let's see na lang later. This is the area again of Army Navy. Daming nag-alakad. Ayan yung mga tindahan dito. Ito yung area ni Pamana. Tapos ayan si Starbucks. Wait, celebrity sighting. Si Jokoy. Jokoy is there. With his son. He's here in Boracay. Kita nyo ba? Nakatalikod eh.
Yeah.
Hi!
Big fans.
Yes.
Love you. Thank you.
We're gonna watch your show.
Love you.
Ayan si Jokoy. Nagpa-picture kami. Si Daddy talaga. Kapal na mukha nito. Talaga inantay niya. He's nice naman.
Yeah, it's
Very nice. Yeah, very nice. Pakita ko sa inyo yung picture namin. Ayan. Nakapagpa-picture naman kami sa kanya. Ayan na! Narating na namin si Dimol. In fairness, update lang, nakaka 3,300 steps pa lang kami from Dalin to Dimol. Pero we've been walking for an hour apparently. Pero it was a pleasing walk Hindi namin napansin na isang oras na pala yung lumipas.
Hindi na masyado mainit.
Yeah, hindi rin kasi masyadong mainit. But here, it's cramped. Ang daming tao dito. See? There's a lot of ganapinings. We don't know what. We'll walk a bit more. Tingnan natin kung makakaabot naman din tayo kay Datalipapa. Yun naman yung i-check din natin kung anong itsura niya ngayon. Ito naman si Real Coffee, yung may original calamansi muffin. May mga under renovation din dito sa area na to. This is the area after D-Mall na, from Station 1. Nag-change outfit nga pala si Daddy.
Kasi pawis na ako.
Pawis na yung t-shirt niya.
Init pa rin.
150 po ang presyo ng sando dun sa binila namin. Ayaw na namin magtanong sa iba. Baka madismaya lang kami. Pero it looks naman, reasonable.
Yeah. Para sulit naman.
Kuya Vito, may restaurant ka pala dito oh. Don Vito.
Quick pit stop kay Don Vito. Cucumber juice and avocado shake for dad. Sarap naman.
Ito na din si Henan Regency. This used to be our favorite hotel. Dito kami parati nagsistay dati. Gusto namin siya kasi siya yung maraming upuan dito sa harapan. It's still nice until now. Ito naman yung itsura ng beachfront dito sa may Henan Regency side.
Low tide.
Yeah, parang low tide. Oh, nandito na kami sa La Carmela. So, nakaabot na kami ng Station 3. This is how it looks like in this area. Medyo masyadong malumot lang dito. Ayan nga lang yung itsura ngayon ng beachfront dito sa Station 3. In front of La Carmela. Masyadong malumot. It's like a carpet. Ito naman yung sa may Station 3. Maaliwalas na rin siya ha?
Yeah. Nice din ah.
Yes.
Bali may sa taas pa yan sir.
Finally, nahanap namin si Talapaka. Nasunog na pala siya. So, ito na lang yung natitira. Ayan. Nasa Balay Seafood Restaurant kami. Ito, lobster ulit. Ilang kilo yan kuya?
Wala pa isang kilo mo.
Isang kilo? So, magkano yung isang kilo?
2.8 lang.
2.8 lang. O, sabihin nyo sa amin kung mura sila o hindi.
Pag nasa branded siya.
Legit. O, Traveler's Choice daw sila 2024. Ayan yung mga seafood nila. Magkano yung prawns, sir?
Depende po sa laki ng
Ito. This one.
dito.
1,000.
Shrimp.
Ito, 1,800. Magkano po sila pula-po?
1.8 po. 1.8.
Bakit ito 1,500 kuya?
1.5 lang po na 1.5.
O, 1,500 daw sila pula-po.
Ito si Pagkakas.
Si squid, magkano?
Yan, lumot po.
1,500. 1,500.
Kilo yan, mama.
Okay, per kilo. Ayan yung aming palengke. Shrimps, lobster, fish, and squid. Here's our shrimp. Here's our grilled stuffed squid. And look at our lobster. Wow. Ano nga itong kinuha mo, Daddy? Salted egg.
Dami.
Ito na din yung fish. Steamed lapu-lapu. Just for the two of us.
Dami.
We're already done eating. Ayan na. Ayan yung pagkain namin. Sabi niya kanina, ang dami daw namin pagkain.
Dami naman.
Walang natira.
Masarap yung red
Saktong-sakto,
egg.
ubos. The lobster was good. Salted egg yung pinaluto namin sa kanya. Masarap din yung... Well, actually, lahat sila masarap.
May kuryente na. Brown
And,
out kanina.
finally, may kuryente na rin dito sa Boracay. Kanina, brown out. So, mas maaga naman. Sabi nila 6 p.m. magkakakuryente. Pero nagkakuryente ng 5 p.m. And our bill, ate, magkano yung bill namin? 6,139. Ayan si ate. Ate Charm. Masarap yung kinain namin. Lalo na yung lobster. Salted egg. Favorite ko. Different kind of lobster. Buti na lang, natuntun natin tong Balay Seafood.
Oo, malapit siya kay Henan.
Malapit siya kay Henan Palm or kay Niginiginuno. Ayan. Balay Seafood Restaurant. They're still open. Maliit lang yung daanan, but they're open. And they have good seafood. Salamat!
Salamat ate.
Ito si Balay Seafood Restaurant. Tapos, ayan yung daanan papunta sa beachfront.
Ayan, yan lang pala yung daanan ngayon papunta sa Talipapa. Yan yung maliit na daanan lang na yan. Kaya hanap kami ng hanap kanina, hindi namin siya makita-kita. Pero sulit naman, sulit yung kain namin kay Balay, in fairness. So balik naman kami ngayon kay D-Mall for some dessert. Time check, it's 5:15. Ang ganda na kasi ng weather and wala ng araw. Look at how many people are now here in Boracay. Ang daming tao.
Pero it doesn't feel crowded.
It doesn't feel crowded. And I'm actually happy na na ganito kadaming tao yung nandito. And tourism is nice. Ayan. See? It's full. For dessert, we'll try naman this one. Mango Mama. Here. Ayan. Mango Mama for dessert. Curious ako dito kay Black Rice Ice Cream. Ang sarap. Ang sarap ng black rice with the suman and the mangga. Sarap. Success! Nandito na kami sa Belen. So, nilakad namin back to back yung Station 3 and report 11,400 steps kami ng lakad na balikan. So ngayon, magsiswimming naman kami kasi pawis na kami. We'll do a quick swim sa infinity pool nila sa taas. Dinner lang kami here at Royal Indian Curry House. There's their food, the flaming mutton, I don't know what this is, and biryani rice. We're already done with our quick dinner at the Royal Indian Curry House. Nag-try kami going there. Yun din pala yung gusto kong sabihin with the Lind. Yung shuttle service nila is per hour. Tapos yung drop-off point is sa D-Mall lang. Tapos yung pick-up point is sa Jollibee. So, kung hindi ka aabot dun sa schedule ng drop-off and pick-up, kailangan mo nang mag-trike. Tomorrow, we're flying back to Manila already, but we're having breakfast first here at the hotel before we go to the airport. Our flight is at 11:30 in the morning, so maaga kaming aalis. Anyway, that ends our day 2. Good night! Good morning! Last day here in Boracay. Just a quick breakfast and then we're going to head to the airport already. This is our breakfast. Nagustuhan ko to, yung salmon. And this time, we have Daddy George with us. Morning! Breakfast is basically the same as yesterday. Ito lang mga main dish yung medyo naiba ng konti, but otherwise the rest of the choices are the same. Hello, we have just checked out from the Lind, Boracay. Pabalik na kami ngayon ng Manila. Just to give you a quick feedback about the Lind, Boracay, we actually enjoyed our stay here at the hotel. Maganda yung room, malinis. They have nice facilities, malaki yung pool. They also have an infinity pool. Masarap din yung food during breakfast. We enjoyed it. So, we had a nice experience here at the Lind, Boracay. So that's it. That ends our 3-day vacation here in Boracay. We'll see you when we're back in Manila. Hello! So we're already back in Manila. So again, yung payment center sa NAIA parking is already inside the airport. Meron kami nakitang counter sa arrivals area. Doon kami nagbayad. And there's another counter here naman sa level D paglabas.
Yung naging charge namin is 2,575 for 2 nights and meron kaming extra 7 hours. So that's it. That ends our Boracay trip. Thank you and bye!